What the fuck's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny Boy, aka the Kid, aka the boy, aka these squirrels are dropping fucking nuts and acorns in the video, but they're not hitting me, so thank you, my squirrel friends. I'm one with nature. We are all connected, so they know. You know, I don't even gotta worry about that shit. I don't have to worry about any of that, but aka the Kid, aka the Goes, aka I just randomly resumed my intro, but aka Johnny Tsunami. But we're back. Meditation video. Sometimes when I meditate, I just focus only on my breathing, trying to think of as close as you can to nothing as you possibly can, which, because you can't ever really think of nothing, really. It's pretty much impossible. But breathing and focusing on your breathing is the closest I believe that you could come to it. And yeah, and then sometimes I focus on what I'm going to accomplish today and what I'm going to accomplish in the future. And that's another type of meditation. I try to do both. I try to do 20 minutes of focusing on my breathing and 10 minutes of focusing on what I'm going to accomplish. That's what I tend to do. Everybody's different. Everybody has their own style. That's what's amazing, you know, about life. Not everybody's the same. Everybody's unique, and everybody's got their own talents, and everybody's got their own traits, and it's fucking dope. You know, every person's one of a kind. Anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. So know that. I'll say it again. Anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it. Know that. I could have my shoes on right now, but I think I'm gonna have my shoes off to get a little more connected. This is my drum pad. I was playing a little bit earlier. I was shredding a little bit, so that was pretty cool. And I may do a drumming video after this once my spirits are very high. And I just learned a new form of meditation, and it's the 7 chakras. These bugs will leave me alone now. Do adjust if you need to. You know, you don't have to be in this position all the time. It's recommended though. That way you can thus focus your energy on the fingertips of your hands. I've noticed that I've gotten to a point where I have felt my spirit lifting my body up. Not to the point of levitation to where I am actually lifted physically off the ground, but I could feel the levitation process beginning. It's going to take a lot of hard work to get to the point where I actually levitate, but I will be able to levitate with practice. I will start with the base chakra. Think of red when you think of this. This will be the base of your spine. Think of it as a red orb. Think of the red orb increasing in size as you breathe in and decreasing in size when you exhale. Now we will move to the next chakra, and it will be in your pelvis area. Think of this one as an orange orb, increasing as you inhale and decreasing as you exhale. The next chakra will be in your stomach. Think of a yellow orb increasing as you inhale and decreasing as you exhale. Begin. It's better if there are less bugs. Absolutely. Of the next chakra, which will be, if I can remember correctly, it is in the chest. No, it is in the heart. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Usually I tell you to like and comment, but we must not lose focus. I almost said nusmat, but it's really must not. And if you made it this far, comment must not or nusmat. And if you are a squirrel in the tree right now, you will hand me an acorn perfectly into my hand right now. Now we will focus on the next one, which will be a light purple, that will be located in the center of your forehead. And I know this one will be linked with logic and realness and focus on eliminating illusions. Alright, here we go. The last chakra will be a dark shade of an orb, a dark purple, and you will combine all the chakras together and you will think of the realness of everything, and you will focus out on all the fake and all the fake and not dishonesty, all the fake and illusion, like not illusions, because that's pretty much illusions, but yeah, just real, focus on real, eliminate fake. And now, that was the end of the breathing exercise. Let me see. Ah, yes. $15.37, $15.38, $15.39, $15.40, $15.41. Let's see, $15.42. We're gonna cut it not 17, 43, 16. We're gonna cut it at 16. Stay tuned and enlighten yourself. Oh, I was off on that shit. 21 minutes. Wow. So I guess I was wrong on that. We're gonna have to focus up our meditation harder now. I did not realize that shit was gonna be like that. It's your boy Johnny Boy. Make sure to stay subscribed, alright? We're out of here. That was a little meditation video for y'all.